Mixed by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back again to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today guys, I have a very interesting product to review, the latest Huawei Matepad Air 2023. A premium tablet that promises to deliver a PC-like experience on a sleek and powerful device. Now let's find it out if it lives up to the hype. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. One of the best key selling features of this tablet is the display. The Huawei Matepad Air is an 11.5-inch tablet that comes with a magnetic casing and a detachable smart keyboard. It also supports the Huawei M Pencil, which is a stylus that can be attached to the side of the tablet magnetically. The tablet has a 2.8K resolution display of 2800 by 1840 pixel, support with adaptive refresh rate from 30 to 144 Hz adjustment, which makes it ideal for watching videos, playing games, and browsing the web. The screen has a 3:2 aspect ratio of productivity display, which means it can fit more content vertically than a typical 16:9 aspect ratio screen. The screen also supports P3 wide color gamut, which means it can display more vivid and accurate colors. The tablet is also extremely light and thin, despite of big displays weighing 508 grams and 6.4mm thickness. On the right side of the frame, there's a 2-speaker grill and USB-C port, another 2-speaker grills and the power button at the left side, 4 microphone on top along with the magnetic M Pencil and the SIM tray with a pogo pin for keyboard connector at the bottom. The Matepad Air 2023 runs on Harmony OS 3.1, Huawei's own operating system that is designed to work seamlessly with other Huawei devices. Harmony OS 3.1 offers features like Super Device, which allows you to connect and control multiple devices with one touch, and Super Hub, which allows you to share files and images across devices easily. Harmony OS 3.1 also comes with WPS Office, which is a suite of productivity apps that are compatible with Microsoft Office formats. WPS Office offers a comprehensive interface and features that can help you create and edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations on the tablet. Under the hood, the Huawei Matepad Air is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 mobile platform, a 5nm processor with a clock speed of octa-core 2.84 GHz with an LTE version, which is one of the most powerful processors in the market previously. It also has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which means it can handle multitasking and fast application launches without any lag. The tablet can also run graphic-intensive games like Genshin Impact smoothly thanks to the Adreno 660 GPU. The tablet has a 30MP Sony IMX486 rear camera with an f1.8 aperture and can record 4K video resolution at 30 frames per second, and an 8MP front camera with f2.0 aperture that can record 1080p resolutions at 30 frames per second. The tablet also has 4 microphones and 4 speakers on both sides with Huawei Hisense 8.0 algorithm, which deliver an immersive surround sound experience for music, movies, online stream, and games as well. Moving on to the battery performance, the Huawei Matepad Air has a massive 8300 mAh battery, which can last up to 12 hours of video playback or 10 hours of web browsing on a single charge. The tablet also supports 40 watts wired charging and 10 watts wired charging via USB-C, which means it can charge other devices as well. The tablet comes with a 40 watts charger in the box, which can charge the tablet from 0 to 100% in about 90 minutes. Huawei innovatively brings base station level antenna technologies to tablets to improve the signal strength of tablets in different usage scenarios. Wi-Fi 6 is also supported to achieve a theoretical peak rate of up to 3.6 gigabits per second, ensuring fast internet access wherever you go. The Huawei Matepad Air 2023 is priced at 2,099 dirhams here in Dubai, which is quite reasonable for a premium tablet with such impressive features and performance. Alright, so what do I think of the Huawei Matepad Air 2023? Well, I think it's a great tablet that can rival some of the best tablets in the market right now. It has a stunning display, a powerful processor, a versatile operating system, and a sleek design. It also comes with some useful accessories that enhance its productivity and creativity potential. If you're looking for a tablet that can do more than just entertainment, then the Huawei Matepad Air 2023 might be the one for you. Alright guys, that's all for today's review of the Huawei Matepad Air. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.